Light bulb manufacturers don't want you to know about this. Learn how to easily repair any burned light bulb by following these simple steps. To begin, we will take a light bulb that we need to repair. In this case, I have a light bulb that, as you can see, is burned and does not turn on. The first thing we will do is remove the protective plastic cover, which is easily removed by applying a little pressure. Be careful not to break it, as you will need it for the final assembly. When connecting the light bulb to the socket, you will see that it does not turn on, but don't worry, as we will repair it easily. The next thing we will need are some tweezers. With the help of a sticky tape, we will wrap the tweezers so that we do not come into contact with the electricity while repairing the light bulb. Next, we will use the tweezers to inspect each of the light bulb LEDs, as the problem with these light bulbs is usually in the LEDs. These work in series, and when one of them does not work, the light bulb no longer turns on. After inspecting all the LEDs, we will have found the one that does not work, as when making contact with the aluminum of the tweezers, it works again. This step is crucial because it allows us to identify the defective LED that is causing the problem. Then we will take a cutter and remove the yellow part that covers the LED until it reaches the aluminum. Do this carefully so as not to damage other components of the light bulb. Next, we will take a roll of galvanized wire, and with the help of a hot welder, we will melt a piece of metal on the burned LED. This process will restore the electrical connection in the defective LED, allowing the current to flow correctly through all the LEDs of the light bulb. When connecting, you will notice that the light bulb will immediately turn on again, and we will have left the light bulb as new. It is impressive to see how a small adjustment can make a light bulb that seemed useless work again perfectly. Thanks to these simple steps, you will never have a damaged light bulb in your house again. This method is not only economical, but also helps reduce electronic waste, thus contributing to the care of the environment. If you made it this far, leave me the phrase "new light bulb" in the comments, so I will know that you saw the video until the end. And if it's the first time you see one of my tips, don't forget to subscribe so you can be the first to receive our publications. See you in the next video with more tips and useful tips.